Hello everyone. So today I am going to give my review of Set D exam. My Set D exam was Constitution of India and Art of Advocacy paper I gave. So let's open and see what was the syllabus of the exam. So basically self-paced module English medium you have to click. I have opened the ICAI app, ICAI BOS app. So this is self-paced module set D. So I was so I had uh, first exam like the Constitution of India and Art of Advocacy. In our Constitution of India we have 6 chapters. So basically the first chapter is very important because today was my exam and most of the questions like articles were asked from the first chapter. So I would suggest you should prepare the chapter very firmly. So the rest of like government of union states, relation between the union state. So out of these chapters government of union, if you cover if you prepare the second chapter union government in a very good manner, then the third chapter would be very easy for you. So and then emergency provision is also very much important, and the procedure for amendment is also. Basically all the chapters are important, but like most important chapters I'm just trying to give you suggestions like first, second and fifth chapter is um, much important. Now let's see the syllabus of art of advocacy, the second part of that paper first. So in this we just have 3 chapters. So basically all are equal importance, but uh, chapter 2 is very easy. If you just go through it, you'll get a better understanding. So like yes, third chapter is very important. Yes, most of the MCQs out of these portions were asked from this third chapter, drafting and pleading. So you should definitely clear in a very good manner, cover up the concept of drafting and pleading, I would suggest you. So I scored 67 marks out of 100. 80 questions were given. Some were 1 marks each, and some were 2 marks each. So yes, I just how did I prepare for this exam? So basically firstly I just I would cover all the syllabus. I just taken I just took a reading of all the chapters, and after that, when I studied second time, then I started making notes like how the questions could be asked in the exam. So I started making notes. So in this way, um, in the last time I just studied out of my notes, and I also covered the MCQs given at the end of each chapter. So this was my strategy, and exam was okay, 50 marks. I would like to say exam was yes, technical, typically technical, but if we deeply understand the chapter, so the exam would not be such difficult. So yes, the exam was nice, good, okay. So this was my review. So guys, if you are going to give your set the exam and you have also chosen paper number 1, Constitution of India and Art of Advocacy, I wish this video would help you. So guys, till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.